Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name's Oliver Tompkins, and in today's episode, we're going to take a little look at why the crypto market is down at the moment. Now, just before we get into these news articles that I have for you, I want you to go ahead, throw me an early like, because I kind of like that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel Crypto Bible and turn on your notification bell icon, ting, so you never miss any groundbreaking stories in the world of crypto. First things first, let's check out what's happening right now in the market. So here we go. Coinmarketcap. We love it, don't we? We're going to go down and we're going to check out three trending coins: Tron, True Chain, Game of Shibu. Then we've got biggest gainers: Fino DAO, Teddy Dog, and Beagle Inu. And then we move down a little bit more. It's a bit of a red sea at the moment, isn't it? Bitcoin down nearly 6% now, trading at $40,759. ETH down almost 5%, trading at $2,915. Come down underneath that $3,000 mark. BNB down nearly 3.5%, $408. Cardano down. XRP, that you get the gist. All right, it's a lot of red. Are there any big Terra? That's looking like it's nearly going to like 8.5%. So let's find out what is going on with the market of crypto right now. First news article coming up. Okay, so the first article I want to go through with you is from Decrypt, and their tagline is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top coins fall as crypto market stumbles. Much of the market is red right now, we've just seen, amid global geopolitical tension and increased law enforcement scrutiny on crypto. I like how Decrypt do this. Like, they give you a little brief bit at the top. I like that, because let's be honest, we love news fast and quick. So the crypto market is down about 7% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin, ETH have both seen losses around 8% each, while others have fallen even harder during the span. Crypto market is largely in the red today, as leading coins like Bitcoin and ETH are both down over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's down nearly 8% from Coinmarketcap, we just checked, after experiencing the largest single day drop for the leading crypto in almost a month since January 21st. The market had largely recovered since that date, and Bitcoin is still up 10% over the past 14 days, but the price has tumbled in recent hours. Edward Moya, Oanda, senior market analyst for the Americas, wrote in emailed comments that the threat of a Russian invasion of Ukraine has spurred Wall Street to tighten up its belt, with the impact being felt in Bitcoin's price today as well. Bitcoin sits at $40,732 as the time of writing of this article. Wall Street has gone full de-risking mode, and Bitcoin is paying the price, wrote Moya. Fears over geopolitical concerns and potentially aggressive central bank tightening has cryptos across the board in freefall. Prices may also be impacted by the threat of increased governmental scrutiny in the United States, as the FBI today announced a new crypto crimes division, while the Department of Justice named the first director for its recently established National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team. So behind the scenes, we're seeing, FBI starting a whole new crypto crimes division. Crazy. Ethereum has slightly more significantly tumbled during the same span, down more than 8% in 24 hours. At a price of $2,895, Ethereum is now about 41% off its all-time peak of $4,892, almost $5,000, set in November 2021, according to Coinmarketcap. But it's not just the two top coins that are down today either. Most of the market is red right now. And we looked at that, didn't we? We went through the CoinMarketCap to see what's going right now before we got into this article, and it is a sea of red. A total crypto market cap of just over $1.8 trillion falling 7%. So it's lost $1.8 trillion. Yeah, falling about 7%. Wow. Oh no, it's not lost. Sorry. So it's falling about 7% with a total market cap. I read that wrong. Of just over 1.8 trillion. Okay. Solana is down 8% at a current price of $94. For example, Terra, and we saw Terra actually, that was almost, was it 8.5% down? Polkadot and Sheeb showing roughly the same percentages losses over the past 24 hours. Largest stumbles in the top 100 by market cap include social token platform Rally, down nearly 21%. That's big. With Filecoin and Theta, both dropping around 12% each in 24 hours. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this fall? Are you someone that you're thinking, now I need to get out? If I want to speak to people that, are you selling right now? Or are you thinking long term? A lot of people say diamond hands, they're hodl through it. Cryptos are volatile, and they're gonna, they understand that these drops, massive ups and downs are gonna happen. Some people say that. Some people obviously are panic selling, and we hear the Russian invasion, which I'm going to come on to now actually. But I want to know from you before we get onto that story, what are you doing? Are you a hodler? Are you keeping your cryptos? Are you going to sell them? Have you only just started? Are you new to crypto? Tell me everything and we can have a chat about it in the comments below. On to the next one. Okay, next article is the Russian invasion of Ukraine could add 10 to 15% selling pressure on crypto, analysis says, as Bitcoin plunges 8%. So this is basically kind of telling us what we already know about what other news articles are telling us. This Russian invasion of Ukraine is sending everybody wild, losing their minds in the markets. They're selling. It's putting selling pressure on. It's making the crypto market fall. So, what we can do about it? Let's find out. If long-term growth prospects start taking a bigger hit from aggressive Fed tightening, institutional investors might scale down their bets, Oanda analysis says. Will they? Because a lot of institutions like to come in and push the price down, don't they? That's what one might say, that they create FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They get it out there. Manipulation of markets. I'm sure you've heard about it before. If you're new to crypto, it's definitely a thing. Pushing down the markets, institutional investors buying in and then creating a buzz. So what's happening? Let's read on a little bit more and find out. Bitcoin plunged 8%. We know that from the last article. Amid broad sell-offs, risky assets, amid renewed fear of Russian invasion of Ukraine. Bitcoin, BTC USD, 0.22%, was recently trading at around $40,660, down about 40% from its all-time high back in November last year, 2021, according to CoinDesk data. Or data, depending on where you're from. There we go. We've got the graph to see the Bitcoin. It's the ultimate risky asset. And the Ukraine invasion would keep crypto selling pressure going another 10 to 15%. Over the short term, Edward Moyer, senior market analyst of Oanda, wrote in the Thursday note. Joe Biden on Thursday told reporters the threat of a Russian invasion of Ukraine is very high. That's like saying it's going to happen, right? If someone says it's very high percentage of this doing that, it's pretty much going to happen. All right, is that right? Am I saying that? Very high. An invasion could occur, not now, but in a manner of several days. Investors are also watching for any signs on how aggressive the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy. We've heard a lot of stuff about the Fed, haven't we? Saying that we're going to increase it 2, 3, even 4 times the interest rate in the year. Which, I mean, how? How can they, at a time like this, when the economy is, low because of the pandemic, how can you increase interest rates even more? I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know if I can see it happening. Are they just saying this and then saying one thing and not going to do it? I don't know. I'd love to know your thoughts on the news we've heard about the Fed. So, some investors are now pricing in about 6 interest rates increases this year. Through minutes of the January meeting released Wednesday provided few new details. Again, they're talking about these rate increases, but I don't know. I'm just reiterating here. I don't know how it's going to work out until they action them. I know they're saying, but they said a lot of things. The outlook for Bitcoin remains mostly bullish. But if long-term growth prospects start taking a bigger hit from aggressive Fed tightening, institutional investors might scale down their bets, Moyer wrote. Do you think institutions will scale down their bets? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know what you think. US stocks closed sharply lower on Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, 1.78%, booked its largest drop since November, shedding more than 600 points. And the S&P 500, down 2.12%, dropped about 2.1%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite declined about 2.9%. So there you go. That's what's happening. It's all Russia, Ukraine chat at the moment, isn't it? So guys, what do you think about those news articles today? It seems to be the market is tumbling and stumbling because of these news articles and rumors about Russia invading Ukraine. Biden saying it's very high, it's very likely, but not now, and it could happen in the course of a matter of several days. What do you think is going to happen? It's hard to predict, isn't it? We can't predict, but we can talk about it and we can chat about it. So that's what we're going to do. Let me know in whatever your thoughts are in the comments section below. We'll have a chat and let's see what happens. I want to know what you're doing with your cryptos. Are you holding them? Are you selling them? Are you bullish on any new projects? Let me know. There's a great episode out as well with myself and Elliot talking about market updates, and we always chat about coins that we think might be good picks. Not financial advice. It's just a chat that me and Elliot have. So that'll be a great video to go and check out over on the channel. And there's loads of other content out there as well. Don't forget, throw me a like, get yourself subscribed to Crypto Bible, and turn on your notification bell icon, because that is important, because you never miss anything that comes out in the world of crypto. And obviously, we know what it's like being first to things. Being first can sometimes pay off big in the end. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me for today, and I'll see you on the next one.